Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to download data from Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So Google Sheets are open and you want to save the current document to work offline or share a copy of this file with someone, it doesn't matter. Go to the file, download it and select the preferred format. The first two options, Excel and Open Document, are spreadsheet files suitable for Microsoft Excel and LibreOffice, respectively. Use one of these formats if you are working in one of these programs. The next two options, PDF and web page, allow you to export your data to visual formats that can be opened on any computer, which is useful but practically impossible to edit in the future. The last two options are open standards that are compatible with a variety of applications. A comma-separated values files (CSV) is a text document that uses commas to separate columns. A tab-separated values file (TSV) is a text document that uses tabs to separate columns. When you select any of these formats, the download is instant and requires no explanation, with the exception of PDF. Therefore, we will consider downloading this file in more detail. Let's go back to the sheet and select the needed range. Next, go to File, Download and select the PDF format. After that, a new window opens in which we immediately see the appearance of the page. At the same time, all formatting is saved, including fonts, border size, and so on. To avoid empty cells, select on the right Export only selected cells. Next, you can adjust the paper size if the result should have a specific format suitable for printing or other purposes. Choose Portrait or Landscape orientation. In the Scale section, we can change the size of the range and, for example, stretch it to the entire page. Select Custom Number and change 100%, for example, to 160%. You can also customize the margins. Next, expand the formatting list to customize the display of grid lines, notes, and set alignment to one of the edges or in the center. Additionally, headers and footers are added. The display of page numbers, workbook titles, and sheet is supported, and you can also add the current date or even current time. When finished, click Export to confirm all changes and close this window. You will be notified when the file download starts. The download itself will take only a couple of seconds, after which the PDF can be used for your own purposes. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.